Hello, my dear little children. How are you all? Yes, I think you are enjoying. At the same time, you are completing your homeworks also. Yes or no? Are you writing and reading every day? Yes, you have to write the homework and you have to read it once, and you have to go to the links which we are sending you in your WhatsApp groups. You don't understand sometimes, but you have to see it twice. Okay, you can see it how many times we want. Okay, so you can see it twice, thrice. Okay, yes. So now open the page number 53. Here we have a new lesson, that is the lion and the mouse. Okay, so before that we have finished our the pencil and the mouse lesson, right? Yes or no? Yes, we have finished the mouse and the pencil. I'm sorry, the mouse and the pencil lesson, right? Yes or no, children? The grammar of it also we have finished, and we have learned the sentences which tells about the other sentences here in types of bits. Opposite words also we have finished, and in the last class I gave you a homework. I said you to draw a cat here. Did you draw it? Tell, did you draw it? Yes, few children have drawn, I think so. Few did not done it, right? Draw, children. Okay. You have many. You have now. You are sitting at home. You have your mobile in your hand also. You can type it in YouTube, like you can how to draw a cat. It is very easy. Okay, or take your help. Take your mama's help or someone's help and draw it. Okay. Yes. So, and one more thing also. See here, it is circle, rectangle, square, and cone. We finished it. And did you play this game? I explained you about this game. One should hide something in the hand, and you have to. The other friend should ask 5 questions about it, and he have to guess what it is. Yes, again I also told you to make some leafy animal. Yes, I don't know what you are doing at home. Children, please try to do it, okay? Okay? Yes, we have finished the conventions of writing also and fun with words. So now here we'll go for the lesson, The Lion and the Mouse. What is the lesson name? The Lion and the Mouse. L-I-O-N, lion, and the M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Page number 53. Okay, see here we can see the lion and also a mouse in its hand. See here, I mean in its claws. Claws are nothing but this part is claw. Okay, panja. Yes. See, put your finger on the line whatever I am reading, okay? Once upon a time, in a thick forest, a lion was sleeping under a tree. So, once upon a time, ఒకప్పుడు ఒక jungle, in one forest, in thick forest, thick in the sense so many trees. If a forest consists of so many trees, we tell it as thick, okay? Thick forest, a lion was sleeping under a tree. Here we have a tree, right? So lion is sleeping under the tree. చెట్టు కింద lion పడుకుంది. Okay, next, a cheerful mouse came there and saw the lion. So in a thick forest there was a lion who is sleeping under a tree. Yes or no? Which animal did arrive near the lion? Yes, a mouse, a cheerful mouse. A mouse came near the lion. What is cheerful, children? Cheerful means happy or jolly, like enjoying. Okay, so a cheerful mouse came near the lion and saw the lion. Okay, now the mouse climbed onto the body of the lion and started playing. So in a thick forest where there was a lion sleeping under a tree, so there a cheerful mouse came there and it saw a lion. Then what it is doing, children? Yes, the mouse climbed up onto the body of whom? Lion. The mouse climbed the body of the lion. ఈ మౌస్ ఏం చేసింది? లయన్ బాడీ పైన ఎక్కేసి what it is doing? It is started playing. The mouse is playing on the body of lion. Who is lion? Yes, the king of the forest. It is very dangerous animal, right? Who is the king of the forest? The lion is the king of the forest. Yes or no? So this mouse, how dare the mouse is here? The mouse climbed the body of the lion and it is playing. He pulled the lion's whiskers. See, whiskers we already know. What are whiskers? Yes, hair, the hair which is grown on the face of the animals. It is whiskers, okay? ఈ వెంట్రుకలు ఉంటాయి కదా, they are called what? Whiskers. What they are called, children? Whiskers. Spelling WHISKERS. Whiskers, okay? So what it is doing? The mouse climbed upon the body of the lion and it is playing on the lion's body, and also he pulled the lion's whiskers. Now what happens if someone pulls the lion's whiskers? It gets angry, right? And it starts eating. Yes or no? It might eat you if you do that. But see, this mouse is so dare, right? This mouse is so it means the mouse is brave, right? Then turn the page. Page number 54. Suddenly the lion woke up and roared in anger. Now what happened? Here the lion was sleeping under a tree, right? It was sleeping before the mouse came near it. The lion was sleeping and suddenly mouse came near it and it played on the body of the lion and it pulled the whiskers of the lion. What happens if you disturb someone in sleep? They get up, right? They wake up, right? So suddenly the lion woke up. What happened? Suddenly the lion woke up and roared in anger. Roared means, yes, shouted in anger, in the sense we shout, but the lion roar. In this way, I'm not getting it properly. This way, this is roaring, okay? It roared in anger, means it shouted loudly in anger. He caught the mouse. What it done? Yes, he caught the mouse, means పట్టుకుంది. ఎవరిని? మౌస్ని. Who caught the mouse? Lion caught the mouse. Then the mouse trembled in fear. Next, what happened? The mouse trembled in fear means, yes, trembled in fear అంటే ఇట్లా దడుచుకుంది అనమాట ఒకటేసారి. ఇఫ్ యూ హియర్ అ లౌడ్ వాయిస్ సడన్లీ వాట్ యూ డూ? ఇట్లా దడుచుకుంటారు కదా, ట్రెంబుల్డ్ మీన్స్ దడుచుకోవడం, అంటే ఇట్లా షేక్ అయింది అనమాట బాడీ, ఇట్లా ఫియర్ తోటి భయపడి అట్లా దడుచుకుంది అనమాట. Mouse, okay? Then it begged the lion to leave it. Now what it is doing? The mouse is begging the lion to leave it. Yes or no? Now what happens if lion if you trouble the lion? What happens? The lion eats you up, right? Yes. So here the lion caught the mouse and it roared in anger. So the mouse was the mouse trembled in fear, okay? Yes, it is worrying now. Now it is begging means ప్రాధేయపడుతుంది. ఏమని? నన్ను వదిలేయు అని అంటుంది. Who is saying that words? Mouse is saying to lion. The lion took pity on it and let it go. Ayyo. Now what happened? The lion, now here the lion is very good lion, right? It is not eating the mouse. What it is saying? It took pity అంటే దానిపైన జాలి పడ్డది. పిటి అంటే జాలి అనిపించింది అనమాట. ఎవరికి? లయన్కి. ద లయన్ టుక్ పిటీ ఆన్ మౌస్ అండ్ ఇట్ లెట్ ఇట్ గో. ఇట్ లెఫ్ట్ ది మౌస్. మౌస్ని వెళ్ళిపోమన్నది. ఇట్ సెడ్ మౌస్ టు గో, ఓకే? Yes, next. The mouse thanked the lion. Now what happens if someone helps you? Now it is helping itself. The lion is not eating the mouse. It is leaving it. In the sense, it is a one kind of help. So the mouse thanked the lion. The mouse is thanking the lion. It promised that it would help the lion in times of need. What he is saying? what that mouse is saying? Oh, thank you for leaving me, lion. Thank you so much for not eating me. And I am promising you that I would help you in times of your need. Means if you need something, then I will help you. Okay, someday if you are in trouble, then I will help you. Okay. హూ ఈజ్ సేయింగ్ దట్? మౌస్ ఈజ్ సేయింగ్ టు లయన్. లయన్కి ఏమంటుంది? నువ్వు నన్ను వదిలేసినావు కాబట్టి నేను కూడా నీకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తా నీకు అవసరం ఉన్నప్పుడు అని మౌస్ ఈజ్ సేయింగ్ టు లయన్. ద లయన్ లాఫ్డ్ ఎట్ ద మౌస్. ద లయన్ లాఫ్డ్ ఎట్ ద మౌస్. వై ద లయన్ ఈజ్ లాఫింగ్ ఎట్ ద మౌత్? హ అని నవ్వుతుంది. హూ ఈజ్ లాఫింగ్? లయన్ ఈజ్ లాఫింగ్. వై లయన్ ఈజ్ లాఫింగ్? Because it is thinking that now mouse is a small animal, right? Small mouse. So the lion is laughing at it. Why? Because it is thinking that so the lion is laughing at it. Why? Because it is thinking that how this small mouse can help me. In the sense it is making it cheap. అంటే చిన్నతనం చూస్తుంది అనమాట. అందుకే నవ్వుతుంది. ఈ చిన్న ఎలుక నాకేం హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది అని it is laughing. Who is laughing? Yes, the lion is laughing at the mouse. One day a hunter trapped the lion. So this has happened. The mouse left away, the lion left the mouth. The lion left the mouse, the mouse left away, and what promise did the mouse do? Yes, the mouse promised the lion it will help the lion someday if it is in need. Then the lion laughed at the mouse, and this chapter is finished. So after some days, one day a hunter trapped the lion. Trapped in the sense, hunters. Who are hunters? The people who kill the animals. They are hunters. Okay. Yes, kill the animals or catch the animals. Okay. So the one day hunters trapped the lion. In the sense, they set a net on the. See here, they kept a net on the lion, and lion trapped in it. Okay, irkapoyindi andulo. The poor lion roared for help. Now it can't come out, right? How can a lion come out from that net? It can't come out. So the poor lion roared for help. Idi help cheyamani arustundi anamata. Who? The lion. Next, the mouse heard the cries and came there. While the poor lion roared for help, the mouse heard it, and the mouse heard the cries of the lion, and it came near the lion. It cut the net with its sharp teeth. Yes. What is the work of the mouse, children? What actually the mouse does every time? Yes, it cuts something, right? Its teeth are sharp, and it always cuts something. It eats something. Yes or no? In our houses, it eats that bag. Yes or no? It cuts that bag with its teeth, and it eats rice, right? Yes, అన్నిటిని కొడుతుంది కదరా ఎలుకలు ఇంట్లో. Yes, what they do? They cut the bags of rice bags, and they start taking that rice to another places of the houses. Yes or no? They cut these books also with their sharp teeth. So here the mouse heard the cries of the lion, and then the mouse came near the lion, and it cut the net with the sharp teeth. See here, it is cutting the net. Yes or no? With its sharp teeth. What happens when the mouse cuts the net? Yes, the lion can come out from the net. Yes or no? Yes. So the lion came out, and they became good friends. So what happened, children? The mouse cut the net, and then afterwards the lion came out of the net, and they both became good friends. Now the mouse helped the lion, right? Yes, the mouse helped. When the lion left the mouse said that it will help you someday. Yes. When the hunters trapped the lion, the mouse came and helped the lion. Then the lion and the mouse became good friends. Yes or no? Yes. So what is the moral of this story, children? What you understood? You should not think anything too small or too weak to help others. When the mouse said that it will help a lion, what lion did? Lion laughed at mouse, right? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? లయన్ లాఫ్డ్ అట్ మౌస్. మౌస్ పైన నవ్వింది, చీ నువ్వెట్లా నాకు హెల్ప్కి వస్తావు అని చెప్పేసి. బట్ హియర్ హూ హెల్ప్ లయన్? ద స్మాల్ ర్యాట్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో మనం చిన్నదిలా పెద్దోలా అని చూడొద్దు అనమాట. సమ్వన్ విల్ హెల్ప్ అస్ ఇన్ సమ్ వేస్. ఓకే, చిన్నలా పెద్దోలా అని చూడదు, ఎవరైనా మనకి హెల్ప్ చేయొస్తుంది అనమాట. గాట్ ఇట్? అండ్ if you do good to others, you will get good to you. How? Now this lion did not eat the mouse and it left it without eating. It is a good thing, right? So now the lion did the good thing, then the mouse did the good thing too. I mean, you did help to somebody, somebody will help you. Okay, see, now in the school, in the class also, if you did not bring if you forgot a pencil, if your friend gives you, it's a help. Yes or no? Now if that friend someday if he forgets the pencil, you give him. Yes or no? Yes, it is helping each other. So we have to help each other. Okay, do good, you will get that good in other way. Okay, help people, you will get help from others. Okay, got it? Yes. ఎప్పుడైనా చిన్నవి ఇవేంటి, చిచి వాళ్ళేం హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు నాకు, చీ వాళ్ళు చిన్నోళ్ళు, వాళ్ళు ఇట్లా చూడొద్దు అనమాట. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు సీ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఇన్ ఏ ఈక్వల్ వే అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు హెల్ప్ అదర్స్ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ. డూ గుడ్, గెట్ గుడ్. ఓకే, ఎస్, బై దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఫినిష్డ్ ది లెసన్. విచ్ లెసన్? ద లయన్ అండ్ ది మౌస్. ఓకే, once again we'll read the lesson. Okay, see here. Once upon a time, in a thick forest, a lion was sleeping under a tree. You too read with me, okay? Once upon a time, in a thick forest, a lion was sleeping under a tree. Read, children. I am reading, no, the same thing, you repeat it. Then a cheerful mouse came there and saw the lion. Cheerful spelling you tell. Cheerful, CHEERFUL. Cheerful. Okay, yes. Next, he is here. The mouse climbed onto the body of the lion. Onto the body of the lion. Here climbed spelling you see, CLIMBED. Climbed. Next, and started playing spelling PLAYING. Playing. Next, he pulled the lion's whiskers. Whiskers spelling you see, WHISKERS. Whiskers. It is a new word to you, right? Whiskers. What are whiskers, children? Whiskers are nothing but the hair which grow on the face of animals. Here, these are whiskers. This hair. Okay, once again read the spelling, WHISKERS. Whiskers. Yes, next. See here. Suddenly spelling you read now. SUDDENLY. Suddenly the lion woke up. And roared in anger. Here roared is a hard word. Anger. So road spelling you read road. R-O-A-R-E-D. Road. Tell after me, children. R-O-A-R-E-D. Road. Anger. A-N-G-E-R. Anger. Next. He caught the mouse. Caught spelling you see. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. Caught is the past tense of catch. Okay. Yes. Next line. The mouse trembled in fear. Tell me, the mouse trembled in fear. Yes, trembled you see. T-R-E-M-B-L-E-D. Trembled in fear. Next, it begged the lion to leave it. Begged. B-E-G-G-E-D. Next, the lion took pity on it and let it go. The lion took pity on it and let it go. Here pity spelling P-I-T-Y. Pity. Next, the mouse thanked the lion. Tell it after me. The mouse thanked the lion. Thanked spelling C. T-H-A-N-K-E-D. Thanked. Next, it promised that. Promised spelling P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D. Promised. It promised that it would help the lion in times of need. Next, the lion laughed at the mouse. Laughed spelling L-A-U-G-H-E-D. What it is? Laughed. Next, one day a hunter trapped the lion. Hunter spelling H-U-N-T-E-R. Hunter. Trapped you see. T-R-A-P-P-E-D. Trapped. The poor lion roared for help. Roared, we already told the road here. Roared. R-O-A-R-E-D. Roared. Next, the mouse heard the cries. The mouse heard the cries and came there. It cut the net with its sharp teeth. Are you telling after me, children? Tell after me. Yes. The lion came out and they became good friends. Yes, we have finished the reading of the lesson also, okay? Try to read, children, okay? The hard words, whatever I underlined, read them twice, thrice, so that you can get that words, okay? So by this we have finished the lesson, the lion and the king. The lion and the mouse. And I will ask you questions. See, who is the king of the forest? Who is the king of the forest? Yes, the lion is the king of the forest. Yes or no? The lion is the king of the forest and it is strong. Yes. So here who helped lion? Mouse helped the lion. At the end, what happened? They both became good friends. Okay. So the next we'll continue the next lesson in the next class.